Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda BT50 single cab ute. Stock reference number 4782. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. There's a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have a factory fitted alloy nut bull bar with all bolts and brackets, right hand headlight, radiator grille, left hand headlight, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom with net with tongue, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window regs. Has a very tidy bench seat, full length bench seat in grey cloth. Bench seat type center console, 4-wheel drive shifter and transfer shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.